Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss last topic from water pollution is community waste with reference to following. First one is a sewage, second one is a industrial waste and third one is a agricultural waste. So we are going to start. First is a sewage. We all know the sewage is a domestic waste, and domestic sewage is a typically 99.9% of water with 0.1% of pollutants, and these pollutants pose a risk on a large scale. And because of sewage, many aquatic ecosystems disturbances are seen in water pollution topic. And these are eutrophication is a natural eutrophication process with the help of the many nutrients are available in the water. But if the along with the sewage the nutrients are added into the aquatic body, the artificial eutrophication see, and because of these the algal blooms floating on the water surface, and because of these algal blooms the biological oxygen demand is also increases. So to stop these complications, the in urban area is developed country, domestic sewage is typically treated by centralized sewage treatment plant, and it is a well designed and operated system, and it can remove the 90% or more than these pollutants. And some plants have additional system to remove nutrient and pathogen, because the water bodies are also contaminated with the pathogens and nutrients, and pathogens spread many diseases. So reduce these diseases or reduce the process of eutrophication, the additional system is most important in the plants. Some plants are additional system to remove nitrogens and pathogens. Most municipal plants are not specifically designed to treat toxic pollutants, because sewage contain not toxic pollutants, but the design to treat toxic pollutants found in a industrial wastewater. So industrial wastewater treatment plants are different than the sewage treatment plants. So the sewage treatment is important for the reduce the pathogenic infection and reduce the aquatic disturbances, reduce the aquatic ecosystem disturbances is most important the sewage treatment plant. And municipal have a sewage treatment plant. There is a sewage treatment plant design according to need, the designs are also changed. Municipality employ or engineering approach to reduce the discharge of untreated sewage. Their work is management to all these plants. Their work is like the improve the stormwater management capacity throughout the system and reduce the hydraulic overloading of the treatment plant, repair and replacement of malfunctioning equipment, increasing overall capacity of the sewage collection system. Means the employees work is the maintain the all these sewage treatment plant. If there is any replacement need, any repair need, they are repair or replacement this equipment, because sewage treatment is most important for the pollution free aquatic ecosystem. Then one is a industrial waste. Industrial waste are generate, these are the generate waste water with high concentration of pollutants. We are know about the industrial waste. The two most important industrial waste are the heat and radioactive materials, but along with these the many pollutants are conventional pollutants. These are oil and greases, non-conventional pollutants like ammonia, toxic pollutants like heavy metals, volatile organic compounds, and these all are pollutants produce a very adverse effect on our ecosystem and human health. And because of all these pollutants need a specialized treatment system, and specialized treatment system, and the waste management help to maintain the reduce these pollutants. And these pollutants in because of these pollutants need a specialized treatment system, and industry install the pre-system treatment to remove this toxic compound, and after this water sent to the municipal system, because precautions is always better than cure. So many industry have been successfully at redesigning their malfunctioning process to reduce or eliminate pollutant, and this process is known as a pollution prevention. Nowadays the pollution prevention process is must require because day by day the pollutions are goes to increases. So every industry must have been designed their malfunctioning process to reduce or eliminate the pollutants. Every industry must have these plants, wastewater plants, and these plants having the eliminate the pollutants facility. We know about the two main industrial waste are the heat and radioactive materials. Radioactive materials from nuclear power plants, and heat is generated through the thermal power plants. So this heated water generated by power plants may be controlled with cooling ponds, cooling towers, and cogenerations. Because of cooling ponds, man-made bodies of water designing for by cooling by evaporation, convection, and radiation means water cooling with the help of evaporation process. And the cooling towers is mechanism which transfer waste heat to the atmosphere through evaporation. And cogeneration means a process where waste heat is recycled, and it is used for the domestic purposes, industrial purposes, and the cogeneration process is most important or valuable because the heat is regenerated, heat is recycled, and the recycling process is always helpful to reduce the pollutions, any type of pollution. Here is a design of industrial waste management plant, and according to need of industry the design may be changed according to their need. Then last one is a agricultural waste. Agricultural waste is composed of organic waste like animal excreta in the form of slurry, and the farmyard manure, then mushroom, compost, and the all silage effluents. And these agricultural waste include the natural waste, animal waste, and plant waste. The waste management is most important because waste management help to maintain a healthy environment for animals and can reduce the need for fertilizer while providing other nutrient needed for the crop production. And the waste is reduced, recycled, and make it useful for the different purposes. So recycling process or the waste management of agricultural waste is most important to reduce the use of artificial fertilizers. Agricultural waste management treatment process, first one is a composting, and composting is the method in which organic matter present in agricultural waste is decomposed by aerobically or anaerobically through the biochemical process and converted into humus. Here is an example of the dry waste from farmyard, green waste, then roadside and vegetable market waste. Next is a straw waste. These all waste are converted into the humus, and this humus is most important for the growth factor of the crops. So the no need of artificial fertilizers. So composting is the most important treatment process of agricultural waste. The recycling process of in which change the waste into the new product, and it reduce the air pollution from incineration and water pollution from landfilling, and it also lower the greenhouse gas emission. Examples of the recycling processes are biogas production, because biogas production cow dungs are used and cow dung are recycled, and we give the fuel, we give the light, and as well as we give the biofertilizer, and it is a best example of recycling. If the biogas production are not done, the cow dung are reach into the aquatic system with the help of the agricultural washout, and ultimately the nutrients of the aquatic ecosystem goes on increasing. and because of these nutrients are increasing, the eutrophications are seen. So reduce the eutrophication and reduce the water pollution, the biogas production and the recycle of cow dung is most important. Next one is a leather and meat industry. In leather and meat industry, from the old animal we give the meat and as well as a leather, and the leather are useful for the daily needs. And then next example is a bone. Old animal bones are useful for the bone powder, and this bone powder used in a drugs, used in a animal feed, and also used in a fertilizer. These are the recycling processes, best example from the agricultural waste, and these are the most helpful. Last one is a incineration process, in which incineration is a modern process, and in which most hygienic method for disposal of dry waste or dry refuse, and it is widely used in western countries like USA, UK, etc. And India, this is a gradually popular, especially for the large cities. In large cities, because of the hospital waste mostly incinerated, and the incineration process are most important. But the incineration process, the method consists of burning the dry refuse in incinerator, not in open place. In incinerator, the incinerator diagram is here. Incinerator is a close close compound or close tool, or this is the most important. It also reduce the air pollution or water pollution. Then these are the community waste regarding water pollution. First is a sewage, second one is the industrial waste, and third one is the agricultural waste. And the waste management is also important to reduce the environmental pollution. So here our water pollution topic are finished. So today I stop here. Thank you.